One of the things I love most about a tuned L5P is the response. These trucks have a very crisp response on the pedal, and it's due in large part because the turbocharging system has been updated over the years and is a lightweight, quick responding turbo system. I'm Nick Pregnitz with Duramax Tuner, and when I go into the turbo design process on one of these newer Duramax trucks, I try and compromise as little as possible. On this new L5P platform, that means having the truck be as responsive or even more responsive than stock. So when we started with a clean sheet on this STR product, one of the first things I wanted to do was use some of the newer design and manufacturing processes to lower the weight of the rotating assembly compared to stock. Yes, that's right. We took 10% of the rotating mass of the compressor wheel and turbine and cut it on the STR. What that means is that the rotating assembly and the inertia associated with it can come to life even quicker than a factory turbocharger. Our thinking here is that if we can perfectly size these wheels and then use these new manufacturing processes, that we can get a turbocharger that performs better than stock in all categories. Better spool up, better response, better EGT control under heavy load, and better power. Let me tell you a story on the truck behind me here. This is a factory truck, stock emissions, the only mod to it's a Banks intake at this point. With a stock turbocharger, we're in the high fives for rear wheel horsepower, 580 thereabouts, or about 520 Mustang number. With this STR, just simply bolting this STR on the truck, the dyno jet number jumped to 630 rear wheel horsepower. That's almost a 50 horsepower increase with just the STR turbocharger. So on top of the performance, we have amazing spool up because we have a lighter rotating assembly in stock. We have better performance in the emissions system, and we achieve that by having less soot production than stock because this turbo comes to life faster and can move more airflow quicker, so it responds to the throttle quicker, which means less soot. I see that driving the truck, so our regen frequency has gone down. That is, the distance between regens has gone up. And then towing performance. Of course, when you're towing, you want quick response, you want good spool up, and you want a slightly bigger turbine than stock, so you have lower EGTs and better EGT control under high loads, and this turbocharger performs there. All in all, a great addition to the guy with a stock emission system, stock fuel system, and basically for you guys looking to make zero compromises. Amazing spool up, great towing performance, drops in, awesome emissions performance and regen stuff. I mean, you can't miss with this thing, it's solid. I'm Nick Pregnitz with DuramaxTuner.com. If you have any questions about this turbocharger and how it might fit with your application on your L5P, please give us a call. We have guys here who are ready to answer the phone and are very knowledgeable. 815-568-7920.